Hello, my name is Olesya Nikolenko. I am owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you how to make gorgeous design with a piece of plastic. I am starting with white builder gel and overlaying whole nail with the even layer of it. Now I am taking a piece of clear plastic and applying it on top of uncured white gel. I need to receive uneven ridges. Curing together with the plastic on the gel. Now gently removing the plastic. And applying Vitra gel. I decided to use blue color for this design. And some pink as well. Time to cure. Now overlaying the whole nail with ice builder gel to receive a smooth surface. Then cure. I filed the shape. And now is the final step, top coat. I am adding some details on top with the white one-stroke gel to receive a more deep look. Final cure, and it's done. Vitra is a perfect tool for dimensional design. Have a beautiful manicure. Please subscribe to our channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.